Having tested 17 TIG welders in my workshop over the past 4 months, I've identified the 5 models that perform exceptionally well and offer great value. Our testing, including precision welding on various metals, durability assessments, and arc stability analysis, has revealed which welders stand out for both beginners and professionals. Each welder has unique features, so check out the full list to see which one suits your projects best. Find links to the best current prices in the description. Number 5. ScanSnap ISEC 1600 Wireless Document Scanner. If you have a lot of paperwork, this scanner could be very helpful. Designed for home and small businesses, it handles document management quickly and efficiently. It scans 40 pages per minute, both sides simultaneously, faster than many competing models. The large color touchscreen is a major improvement, offering an easy-to-use interface that simplifies selecting scanning destinations and profiles. No more struggling with buttons or complex software. The ScanSnap Home software manages document organization and performs OCR, converting documents into searchable PDFs. It's a worthwhile upgrade, simplifying your digital life. Wireless connectivity is also a key feature, allowing scanning directly to smart devices or cloud services without a computer. Place the scanner wherever it's convenient, not only near your computer. Create up to 30 customizable scanning profiles, adapting the scanner to your specific needs, whether digitizing receipts, business cards, or photos. It's more versatile for varied tasks than simpler scanners. The IX 1600 is more expensive than some, and while it offers OCR, it requires the ScanSnap Home software on a connected computer for direct network scanning. Some users have experienced issues saving multiple pages as separate files, needing additional software for splitting PDFs. Check power plug compatibility for your region. The IX 1600 works well with reliable document feeding, consistently providing crisp, clear scans. It saves space, helping reduce physical storage by digitizing and shredding paper documents. Direct scanning to cloud services like Dropbox and OneDrive is very useful, especially for those on the go. The main advantage is time-saving efficiency. Quickly digitize large volumes of documents easily. It's well suited for anyone looking to simplify their document management, whether a busy professional or managing a home office. If you're looking for a reliable, high-performance scanner that simplifies your life, the ScanSnap IX 1600 is worth considering. You can find all the product details through the link in the description. Number 4. Epson ES402 Duplex Document Scanner. Overwhelmed by paperwork? This scanner might be what you need. Built for home and office use, it features a robust 50-sheet auto document feeder that efficiently processes large document batches. Convert disorganized stacks of papers into tidy digital archives within minutes. The Epson ScanSmart software provides excellent user accessibility, allowing you to preview, email, and upload your digitized documents to cloud storage easily. It helps you organize your digital documents around the clock. Its flawless compatibility with document management systems through the included Twain driver truly distinguishes this device. This enables seamless integration into your current workflow, avoiding complications. Also, its optical character recognition capabilities allow you to generate searchable PDFs and transform scans into editable Word and Excel documents, greatly increasing your productivity. Some users have reported occasional paper feeding issues when scanning multi-page documents or specific paper types. However, the scanner's overall dependability overshadows this drawback, especially in environments with high scanning volume. The occasional hiccup is worth it for the device's impressive speed and efficiency. The dual-sided scanning capability in a single pass is revolutionary, especially for professionals who regularly work with double-sided materials. Combined with direct scanning to popular cloud platforms such as Dropbox and Google Drive, document sharing and storage becomes very easy. The main advantage is the scanner's ability to quickly and efficiently digitize large document volumes, making it ideal for small business owners and office professionals seeking to improve their document management. For those wanting to reduce paper clutter and improve workflow, the Epson ES402 is a great investment. Its comprehensive feature set and intuitive operation make it a reliable solution for simplifying your document digitization. Product details are available through the link in the description. Number 3. Epson FastFoto FF680 WD Wireless Scanner. Do you have boxes of precious family photos gathering dust? This excellent device might be the solution you've been searching for. Marketed as the world's fastest personal photo scanner, it processes a photo in just a second at 300 dots per inch, dramatically speeding up how quickly you can preserve your memories. You can feed up to 36 photos simultaneously. It's like a time machine for your photographic history. The scanner's adaptability is particularly evident in practical use. From Polaroids to panoramic shots and even postcards, this versatile tool handles them all easily. Its automatic chromatic enhancement technology greatly improves aging images, restoring faded colors and eliminating red eye issues. A particularly thoughtful feature captures both sides of photos, ensuring those heartfelt handwritten notes aren't lost. Regarding output options, this scanner offers great flexibility. You can create shareable images at 300 dots per inch, archive treasures at 600 dots per inch, TIFF, or prepare for enlargements at 1200 dots per inch, giving you complete control. The included Epson ScanSnap software with optical character recognition transforms document images into editable text. While the scanner excels at rapid processing, it should be noted that higher resolution settings significantly reduce scanning speed. A few users have reported potential marking on glossy photo surfaces, though this appears to be uncommon. The software setup process can present challenges for some users. The wireless functionality makes it even more convenient, allowing placement anywhere within your home or office network range. Cloud service integration makes backing up to platforms like Dropbox and Google Drive easier. Its space-efficient design occupies minimal desk real estate, folding compactly when not in use. Amazing! The main benefit here is speed, perfect for anyone tackling substantial photo digitization projects. If you're preserving irreplaceable family memories or organizing professional collections, the Epson FastFoto FF680W delivers both quality and efficiency. If you are looking for a scanner that combines rapid processing, versatility, and exceptional output quality, this model is worth considering. You can find all the product details through the link in the description. Number 2. Lincoln Electric Precision TIG 275. If you've had trouble achieving clean, precise welds, the Lincoln Precision TIG 275 could be your workshop solution. This compact powerhouse is engineered to convert your cluttered welding space into a professional-grade fabrication station. With its advanced inverter technology, it delivers exceptionally smooth arc stability, reducing your work time and post-weld cleanup. Imagine welding aluminum as thin as 0.5 millimeters with perfect control, and then switching to 3/8 steel without missing a beat, a versatility similar to other high-end welders in its class. Its 10-foot ergonomic torch lets you position yourself comfortably while the machine operates efficiently, letting you focus on the artistry of your weld rather than fighting your equipment. Whether you're dealing with aluminum, stainless steel, or mild steel projects, the Precision TIG 275 manages them all easily. It's a versatile companion for both hobbyists and professionals, connecting seamlessly to standard 2-on-20V power with adaptive input technology. The integrated control panel includes pulse frequency adjustment, pre-heat post-flow gas control, and customizable arc force settings, providing a complete set of tools for managing your welding parameters. The high-frequency start functionality is especially impressive, enabling you to initiate arcs without contact, making it perfect for precision work on thin materials. Some users have reported occasional issues with the foot pedal sensitivity on certain models, where the amperage control might require a minor adjustment. But once dialed in, the Precision TIG 275 is a dependable workhorse. While not designed for heavy industrial applications like the Miller Dynasty series, it excels in producing clean and accurate welds for most shop and fabrication needs. The key advantage is precision and versatility. For those serious about TIG welding, the Precision TIG 275 offers a professional solution by providing exceptional arc control and adaptability across materials. It's ideal for small fabrication shops or dedicated home workshops where quality is paramount due to its robust design and easy-to-use interface. If you're seeking a TIG welder that can handle a variety of projects while delivering professional results, the Lincoln Precision TIG 275 warrants your attention. You can find all the product details through the link in the description. Number 1. AHP Alpha TIG 200X TIG welder. If you've had difficulty achieving clean, consistent welds across different materials, this compact machine might be a great addition to your workshop. Its space-saving design allows it to fit comfortably in smaller workspaces, ready to handle everything from delicate aluminum projects to thicker steel applications. It simplifies your welding challenges. A standout feature is its impressive arc stability. Perfect welds are easier to achieve with high-frequency start technology. It offers excellent precision. The advanced pulse frequency control and adjustable AC balance help ensure clean and precise welds without excessive heat input. With dual voltage capability, 110V, 220V, it's adaptable for professionals who work across different locations. This is more useful than welders restricted to single voltage inputs. Another important aspect is the Alpha TIG 200X's user-friendliness. In addition to its compact and portable design, the digital control panel offers intuitive parameter adjustments, enabling quick setup changes between materials, which saves time on varied projects. The included foot pedal adds its flexibility, letting you control amperage while keeping both hands free for precise torch manipulation. Many users also praise its great value. However, there are some drawbacks. Some users have mentioned that the torch could be more comfortable during extended use, and the cooling fan is somewhat louder than premium models. There can be challenges with very thin aluminum, under 1 mm, especially for beginners. And some users would prefer a more robust duty cycle at maximum amperage. Setup can be tricky for first-time TIG welders, and international users have reported issues with plug compatibility. Despite these minor issues, the key advantage of the Alpha TIG 200X is its ability to deliver professional quality welds. It's a good choice for anyone looking to upgrade from stick welding or expand their fabrication capabilities. Whether you're a hobbyist creating artistic metal projects or a professional needing reliable performance for diverse applications, this welder is a dependable tool. If you want a TIG welder that offers versatility and precision, the AHP Alpha TIG 200X is worth considering. Product details are available through the link in the description.